Ladies and gentlemen, I once had a buddy named Phil who swore by his 2019 Sprinter van. Solar panels, lithium battery bank, composting toilet, the whole 9 yards. Then I showed him this 1969 Ford F-350 Champion camper conversion, and I swear his perfectly curated beard twitched with envy. Because sometimes you don't need Bluetooth to feel something. What we have here is a 1969 Ford F-350 truck mated to a Champion 230 camper shell, built during America's golden age of why the hell not engineering. The F-350's front end still carries that 5th-gen charm, rounded headlights, chromed grille, and a hood line bold enough to double as a shuffleboard table. Behind that, Champion's mysterious, nearly mythological RV conversion. It's like stumbling upon Bigfoot driving a house. Powered by a 5.9-liter 360 Ci Ford Fe V8, this rig was born to haul steel, or, more realistically now, 4 folding chairs and a barbecue. It cranked out 375 pounds-feet of torque, enough grunt to tow your neighbor's ego uphill, and around 215 horsepower, depending on whether your air filter has seen daylight this decade. There's a dual battery setup, aftermarket radiator, and room under that hood for both performance upgrades and emotional baggage. Step inside, and you're transported to a parallel universe where everything smells like Old Spice and optimism. The cockpit features a 3-spoke steering wheel, padded dash, and a Pioneer stereo probably installed when Blockbuster was still a thing. The double-basin sink, 4-burner stove, and apartment-sized oven shout, "I made chili from scratch," while the linoleum-lined dining nook turns into a bed for people who appreciate a stiff back in the morning. Overhead, a mattress for one with dreams bigger than their legroom. To the side, a mini fridge, an original heater, and a neon orange clock that hasn't been cool since 1974. So obviously it's perfect. There's a bathroom-shower combo tucked in back, just large enough to bathe or reconsider your life choices, depending on how long the hot water lasts. And the price? Listed at $19,950 USD, around 18,600 euros. This rolling relic of Detroit dreams is still cheaper than some electric scooters in LA. I believe this Champion conversion might be one of the most underrated oddballs on wheels. I think what I liked the most was that despite its Frankenstein aesthetics, it works. It's real. And hey, if you're laughing, crying, or currently browsing truck forums for Ford Fe V8 torque specs, then you, my friend, are one of us. Hit that subscribe button and like the video so the algorithm knows you've got good taste.